Train time! Disaster Edition. Hello and welcome to Train Time. I'm your host, Tennis Man. Now, I've watched the other presenters of this show talk about these terrible disasters, and I have to say it has affected me profoundly, to the point where I've had terrible dreams about all kinds of different bridge disasters, sometimes with me on the train. So today I've decided to share one of those dreams with you now. So, it was a misty afternoon in 1892 and a large goods train was carrying 100 tons of fertiliser across the March-Hare railway bridge over the River Smith. Now when I say fertiliser, I mean poo. During the crossing, a large koi in the water below crashed headlong into the bridge. The reasons for this are unknown, although perhaps it was attracted by the smell of the fertiliser. Contrary to popular belief, it was not this event which caused the collapse of the March-Hare Bridge. The engineers actually factored in koi attacks into the design, so they can be sure that it wasn't that. Rather, it was what happened next that caused the failure, possibly trying to emulate the behaviour of their sore brother, the alpha koi. The remainder of the herd of fish began to do the same thing. Now, the shockwave from hundreds of large fish, hungry for poo, caused the great fractures in the cast iron girders supporting the bridge, which caused it to fall down. So the poo train toppled into the water as the bridge disintegrated, and it killed all the fish on the way down as well, although that's probably not quite as significant as the poisoning of the river with 100 tons of cowpats. Now, the driver and fireman were both Olympic swimmers, happily, which is very lucky, I feel, and so they both survived, but thousands did die due to the accident, indirectly due to the cholera as a result of drinking the polluted river water. And for years, the carcasses, or carcae, of gigantic dead koi were washing up on the banks of the River Smith, which obviously terrified all that discovered them. So I'm going to finish off that story there. I'll say thank you very much for watching. I'm now going for a nice game of angle ball. I've been Tennis Man. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Playtime. Playtime. Playtime.
It's train time.
Playtime. Playtime. Playtime.
It's train time.